On December 10th, 2023, officers from the West Palm Beach Police Department were dispatched to Wal-Mart in reference a theft in progress. What you are about to watch is what happened next.
You know I got a camera, right? You got your ID on you?
Can I call for someone to come pay for this?
You got your ID on you?
Can I call someone to come
I
pay
asked
for
you a
this
question.
stuff? I don't have my ID.
Okay, so why didn't you say that? Alright?
I'm in the office.
Don't bring nobody over, please, alright? You heard me?
Yeah.
You heard me?
No, I hear you.
Don't bring nobody over here. Alright. You can have the phone. You can hang up the phone.
Can I have what?
You can hang up the phone now.
The officer's telling me to hang up the phone.
You can hang up the phone now. Here's one thing about me, alright? So work based off honesty. If you're honest, everything can be forgiven, alright? You can go from there, alright? A lot of you play around me, or actually more than once, we're gonna have a problem, alright? I said you can hang up the phone now the first time. Why am I saying it again? I'm the police, correct?
Because I'm nervous.
Okay, listen. It can be forgiven, alright? Just relax, okay?
I told you, man. You ain't got nothing to worry about.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
And
Last name Brown.
Anna Brown. That's your name.
7/14/1994.
14? Huh?
Yeah.
So, spell Anna.
ANNA.
What's your... Is it Brown?
Yes.
Middle name?
Celia.
Alright. This is the real correct name, right? Okay. I'm only going to run this once. Okay? Alright. Like I said, as long as you're honest and truthful, everything will be forgiven. Okay? Do me a favor, come here. You have to see right here. Anything else in your bag? There's nothing in there? You have all that money in there. No. So you have all that money in there.
It's just a bunch of dollars.
But still.
There's not enough to cover for all the stuff that I have. I'm scared. Oh, I can't.
Bravo 10 check. 33.
Miss Anna, Miss Brown, have you ever had a Florida license?
Huh?
Have you ever had a Florida license?
Yes, I have a photo of it on my phone.
At 86. 29-year-old black female.
There's a message for you.
FCIC hit. Local response. 29-year-old black female. Local response.
What's the current address? Have you ever been arrested for shoplifting before?
I'm sorry.
I just rolled up on a signal 4.
So have you ever been arrested for shoplifting before?
Yeah, when I was a teenager.
How many times?
Huh?
How many times?
Once when I was a teenager.
This shopping cart is your stuff.
No, we're taking that.
Is this your first time you got caught?
What'd she say?
Yeah.
This is your first time? You weren't caught the first time when you were a juvenile? So it's not your first time, right? Okay, so when I say honesty, where did you get caught stealing from the first time?
In Sears.
Okay.
Okay. Tell Patty meet me in the front of customer service in the action I call. One-eyed Patty.
New York.
Action 9 code.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me see what's all that. This is all unpaid items.
Yeah.
What's this one? Fuck. All right.
Yes.
That's what I said. Yes, ma'am. I might have put it back on.
That's what you paid for? All right.
You know you only got one eye. You can't think right. I taught you that. Sorry, Betty.
Thank you so much. All right. So, depending on how much stuff, all right. What are you guys gonna do?
Since I gave you the case, what are you gonna do about what phone broke down?
Yeah.
What? I think you may probably gonna do the trespass.
Alpha 1 or something.
Hopefully it's that, because that is a lot of stuff. I ain't gonna lie to you.
So
It's actually going to be a signal 3, one of them.
they deny it before we determine if it was me.
Florida tag 67 Bravo Alpha Quebec Sierra on a gold Honda.
This is Bridge with Based on the corridor, Center West Palm, expired 10/2023.
Damn, y'all boys done ran out taping, dog. That's crazy.
Copy, just confirming this is going to be ours.
Yeah, 10-4 bid 47th Place in Haverhill, just north of.
Alright, we're going to be pulled over onto 47th Place.
Copy, is it convenient?
Nah, 29 was Palm. Pushing to 3. 2297 was Palm.
2297? Yeah, go ahead,
Just out of curiosity, who'd you call?
I had someone in a car that drove in here and we're supposed to be we're doing a balloon release. So
Doing a what?
A balloon release for my brother that passed away.
Okay.
So I was getting like hot dog, came back to get bread and stuff.
Alright. Alright, Anna. I need you to listen to me, alright? You have the right to remain silent. Oh, one second, y'all boys. 1 second. Yeah, you have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions, you understand? You have the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and or any questioning, do you understand? If you cannot afford a lawyer, you're entitled to the presence of a court-appointed attorney before you make any statement and or any questioning. Any statement can and may be used against you in the court of law. Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You understand? If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Do you understand? Alright, with that being said, let's just talk about what happened today. You want to talk to me about what happened today? No? Okay. You know this is a chance to explain yourself, what happened, say it could be misunderstanding, whatever the case may be. But if you don't explain yourself, I have no choice but to go against the evidence against you.
Private 1 was fine.
I don't know what to say.
Alright, are you going through anything? Are you going to financial troubles?
Just explain.
I will, hold on. You want to financial trouble?
Just explain, like, today's the balloon release for my brother. I just came to get some stuff for the family to do that. And I just wanted to get some stuff for my kids. I just started a new job. Like, I don't
Where are you working at?
funds.
Where are you working at?
I work with the eye doctor.
Eye doctor? So the food I can understand, but why the Polaroids and stuff?
My kids have iPhones, so I wanted to give them something that they could play around with at home, like just something for the kids, because that's what I could be able to get or try to get there. I don't have no help with them. It's just me. Like, I had them since I was in high school by myself.
High school?
It's hard. I try to give them what I ain't have. Like, it's just hard. It's the same for parents. It's hard. I didn't want to try to do it, but I just ain't have really no other option between this and the bills and paying for them going after care.
Did you have the $400 on you now to pay for it, or you have to call somebody?
I could be able to probably pay for majority of all the stuff.
Alright.
I probably have the $400 on my card.
Did you like pretend to ring up any of that stuff? Were you attempted to ring it up? Like,
No, I ringed up most of the stuff, but I didn't bag everything up. I just was leaving out, so they asked to see the receipt, and he noticed that the stuff weren't scanned on the receipt, or some of the stuff wasn't scanned.
Alright, no problem. Alright, you're going to charge one count of petty theft because you stole an amount of $431 in retail value. Statute. You got court January 30th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. at Gun Club Jail. Alright, 3228 Gun Club Road. Alright, you're not going to go straight to the jail. You're going to go to a courthouse. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to sign right here that you agree to appear to the date of time. Alright, charge for defense charge or pay the fine subscribed. That doesn't mean it's admission of guilt. Sign it's not admission of guilt. This means basically that you are saying that instead of Louis me taking you to jail, which no one wants, you're going to go to the courthouse, all right, on this date and time. Do you agree to go on this date and time? All right, so the sign right here. All right, so where it says no photo available, all right, you're just going to give a thumbprint. Here's a copy. Alright, free to go. Any questions? It's something called pre-trial diversion. You can opt for that if you qualify. You know.